What's happening YouTube? It's Darren from Pebcac here, back with a quick and dirty video just to solve one of the more annoying problems that's been around since Windows 11 was launched, especially if you made that switch from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and you're finding that when you come to do a right click on anything, you get the annoying more options. Whereas usually you used to get all the context menus, now you have to click more options to get to the other settings that you more than likely want, the open withs and such things. I'm going to show you how to put it back to the standard menus. And there's two ways to do this. One's a temporary fix that you do each time when you want to right click on something, and one's a more permanent fix that will keep it that way forever. So, as I say, quick and dirty one, so I'm not going to keep you hanging around. All you need to do is, the first one, the quick and easy fix, is literally hold the shift key on your keyboard. When you hold down shift and right click, you get the standard menu. When you don't hold down shift, you get the show more options. If you're not sure which the shift key is, it's the one that's usually just above the CTRL or control key. It may say shift, or it might just have this little arrow pointing upwards. That's your shift key. That's a UK keyboard layout, but it'll be similar on other country keyboards. Hold that down, right click, and you get your menu back. If you don't want to hold shift every time, there is another way to do it. It's a little bit more involved, but not too seriously. What you're going to want to do is we're going to make a quick change to the registry, and before we ever do that, I always recommend backing up your registry. To do that, click on your Windows logo, type regedit, and it will come up with Registry Editor. Click yes to the security warning, and if I go right back to the top, you should be seeing something a little bit more like this. Now, where you're going to want to back up, you could back up the entire registry by clicking export, but you don't need that. What you're going to want to do is go to HKey current user. You're going to go to software, classes, and you're going to find one in here called CLSID, which is there. Right click on that, choose export, save it to your desktop or wherever you want and call it restore my registry. I'll call it whatever you want, you don't have to call it that. But if something goes wrong and you want to put things back to how they were before, you can literally just double click that and it'll put everything back to as it was before. So the actual fix for putting this back permanently is typing this command. Now don't worry, I'm not expecting you to remember this. I will add this command in the description of this video down below. Once you've got that, all you're going to want to do is copy it, click on here, type the word run, and this little run box should come up. Click on that, paste the command in here, the whole thing, so it starts with reg and ends with the /f. You're going to say OK. That's it. It's going to go away. Now, your problem won't have gone straight away. What you're going to need to do is restart your computer for it to pick up that setting. Or if you're lazy like I am, there's another way of doing it, which is to right click on your menu bar, on your Windows logo, choose Task Manager, go into the Details menu, and you'll look in here for Explorer. Right click on that, choose End Task, End Process, and you'll notice things look a bit weird for a second. Click the three, it's changed in Windows 11. Click the Run New Task button at the top and just type Explorer again. And all that does is that restarts the Explorer process, which is what controls your context menus and your Windows view. Now when you right click, you should have your standard menu without holding the shift key. Oh, as long as you don't drag it around. As I say, if you need to revert it back, just go back to that setting. If you are happy and it's working, you can, stay with it. As always, please help the channel out by liking and subscribing. If you can and you want to really say thanks, then you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/pebcac. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and I hope this helped. Thanks.